Okay, so welcome to Eoin's Playtime channel, and today we're looking at snap circuits. We've got a snap circuit starter kit where you can build over 20 projects, so we're having a go at that.
Watch this. If I click the switch...
So what project we're doing today? We're doing project 12, 2-speed fan. Yeah.
It doesn't do the bumping.
Oh, it doesn't.
It just goes fast and done.
Perfect. So this is a 2-speed fan. So speed 1, turn on S1, and it also lights up the little light as well. And how do you make it go fast, Eoin?
You press this button.
Oh, S2. Press it again. Oh my gosh, that's fast. So you could turn the polarity round.
If you hold it for enough time, then it will fly off.
Okay.
I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we're going to turn it around and see if it works.
Turn it round, turn the polarity round and see if it flies off. Might not be going fast enough. Then again, it might not have enough batteries.
So I'm going to take this one off
Okay,
too, so it has,
that's fine.
So it has more.
Okay, so nothing's going to happen on this go because power's not going to be able to get round to the fan. So even if you turn this on, it's not going to go anywhere because the power comes out here, goes on here, but it's stuck here. It will go across here. Oh, oopsie daisy.
Oh my goodness.
Try again. Okay, so if you just put S1 on, nothing happens. But if you put S2 on, it starts the fan. Perfect. I think you probably have the fan on the right way round. Try again. Okay, so we've rebuilt it. Put the fan on. Slight modification to the arrangement. S1 goes on. S2 fan on. Let's see if it's going to take off. Whoosh! We just had it on the wrong way round. Excellent. Well done, Eoin.